Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can download and install this game on your PC. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to install the BlueStack on your PC, and after that, we have to open that. So I'm going to open it. So let's click on the BlueStack, and now let's open this. So as you can see now it's loading. So we have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. So we have to wait. So wait. So as you can see now it's open. Now I'm going to click on this. We have to make it the screen bigger. And now I'm going to write the game name here. You have to also write the game name in the same way. So as you can see, after writing the game name, you will see some suggestions here. So I'm going to click on this. After clicking on this, you have to click on this button, install an app player. So as you can see, it's loading. We have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. So as you can see, the game is here. If you want to check the details of the game, you can also do that. Like the downloads are 50 million pillars and the size is 1.4 GB. And if you want to download this, simply you have to click on the install button. And after clicking on the install button, it will take few seconds or few minutes. It's up to your internet speed. And after the completion of installation process, you will be able to play the game. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can download this game on your PC. So see you guys in the next video.